Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of UXpreneur, and I'm super excited about today's video because we're going to talk about viability. And one of the ways to test viability in the marketplace is to actually have money change hands. And the most effective way to do this online today is actually using Stripe. Stripe enables us to easily take credit card transactions online. So today I want to show you how to add Stripe to your WordPress so that you could test viability as well. So grab that popcorn, let's dive in. Go to stripe.com. And the reason we're going to stripe.com is so that we can actually set up our account. For a brand new account, you would go to Start Now. You enter your email, your full name, your country, and create a password, and you can create an account. You are going to need your EIN number for this to successfully take credit card payment. So that's why in the first video we set up our LLC using LegalZoom or your state's own LLC process. With that, we're going to jump on over to our dashboard now. The next thing that we're going to need to do is go over to developers, and we're going to need our API keys. What you're going to do is copy this publishable key here and your secret key too. So now that we have our keys, we're going to go over to our website. I'm going to humdrum.com/wp-admin, and I'm going to log in here as well. And now that I'm here, the next part is we're going to go down to plugins, add new, and we're going to type in Stripe. Now there are a lot of ways to put Stripe on our website. You can see WooCommerce is one of the top ways of doing so. I mean, they're all over. I just find it too complex, too many features. So I'm going to use accept Stripe payments, which I found was the simplest way. And now we're going to activate it. We're going to go to settings. And we are going to scroll down to the bottom where it says put your live Stripe publishable key and live Stripe secret key. So now I can go get it, click to copy, copied. I'm going to put it there, paste. I'll get the secret key and I'll publish it as well. And so now that I have those in here, I can actually save changes. Must fill test API credentials for plugin to work correctly. All right, let's get that. Okay, there's my test API keys, viewing test data. So I'm going to copy that. See, it says test. Okay. And I'll get my secret test. Okay. All right. And I will save those changes. There we go. We got rid of that. Now it's going to ask me the CAPTCHA feature. That's under here. You can use reCAPTCHA from Google or HCAPTCHA from Intuition Machines, Inc. You can take your pick there and go through that onboarding process. Perhaps we'll do that in a different video. The next thing that we want to do now is actually add a new product. Okay, and so we're product designers, and we have this concept test that we're running, and we've been collecting signups with our email and talking to people about how excited we are about our new product. Perhaps here we could just call this for now the next step in the MVP types. So let's take a look at MVP types, and we're going to do the sell before you build part right here, okay? And so with that, let's just call it our crowd fund. And every donation counts. And I'll do that for my short description too. And we'll just select the donation box. Specify a minimum amount. Let's just do like $5. Specify minimum donation amount. If set to 0, Stripe's minimum amount limit will be applied. Okay. Currency, we'll usually do US dollar. Now, the next thing that I typically do is I'll upload a product thumbnail, and we want to direct them to our thank you page. And we want to design the buy button, which is like donate. I like to do a class on that. We can do stripe underscore button. That way it takes whatever styling we're doing in Elementor. We're just going to show the button only. And show order total on payment pop-up. We don't really need to do that. We'll just have the payment pop up. And we've already connected our Stripe account, so we don't need to do another one here. So now that we have that, we can grab this short code. We're going to publish. It says product published. So now we need to go back to our pages, where before we had our front page. And on the front page, remember, we had the sign up form. Well, today, let's go ahead. I'm going to go down here to shortcode, because we copied our shortcode, and I'm going to put it right above our email section. It looks just like HTML did. And I'm going to paste the shortcode in there and apply. There you can see our donate button. Okay. And to add a section down here with 3 columns, and I'm just going to drag our friend down here for now and give him some more space. Okay, and I'll right click edit section, and I'll give him like a little bit of a min height, and I'll do view height, and I'm just going to do like something 25 view height, just to give it a nice balance there. And then I might say something with a little bit of a heading. Sign up for, or like stay in the know for now, okay? I'll go ahead and edit that and just right align it so it's in line with that. Okay, so let's go preview our changes. So here we have a little bit of a teaser image, our headline, unique selling proposition, 3 detailed benefits, the donate button, and below the fold, stay in the know, enter email address, get early access. Let's go ahead and click donate. And here we have our crowd fund. Every donation counts, and they can enter in their amount. The minimum is $5, their name, their email, and their credit card number, and pay. If we want to change that, we actually have to go back here, exit. We're going to exit one more time. We're going to go to Stripe Payments, Settings. We're going to come back down here and check this to run the transaction in live mode. When unchecked, it'll run in test mode. We're going to check the live mode and save changes. We're going to come over here and we're going to refresh this page. We're going to click donate. And now test mode is gone. All right, and so now you can begin to crowdfund your app, your product, and really get money in the door to test viability. So there you can see just how easy it is to add Stripe to our WordPress landing page and start to test viability in the market sooner rather than later. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Click the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell notification to be notified of the next video, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.